Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a frame on an Instagram post. While Instagram's built-in tools offer some basic decorative elements, achieving a truly custom and unique frame often requires a different approach. We will focus on using a dedicated photo editing application to design and apply your desired frame. This ensures your post stands out with a personalized touch, giving you full creative control over its appearance before sharing it with your audience. First, select a suitable photo editing application. There are numerous options, both free and paid, such as Canva, PixArt, or Adobe Express. Look for an app that offers a wide variety of frame styles and is easy to navigate. Once you have made your choice, download and install the application onto your smartphone or tablet. This initial step is crucial for gaining access to the creative tools needed for custom framing. Now, open your chosen photo within the editing application. Locate the Frames or Borders section, which is usually found within the editing tools. Browse through the available frame styles and select one that best enhances your image. You can often customize the frame's appearance, adjusting its thickness, color, and even its transparency. Experiment with different options to achieve the perfect look for your Instagram post. Once your frame is perfectly applied, save the edited image to your device's photo gallery, ensuring it is in high resolution. Next, open the Instagram application and tap the plus icon to create a new post. Select your beautifully framed photo from your gallery. You can then add your desired caption, relevant hashtags, and any other Instagram features before sharing your unique and visually appealing post with your followers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.